Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick little beauty haul. I picked up some makeup items as well as some hair care products. Now I know these products are not new, but they are new to me, being that I never tried them before. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got. And I got some things from the beauty supply store, and everything else is from Walmart, I believe. I will try to mention that just in case you guys are interested. But the first thing I wanted to show you guys is a Real Techniques sponge. You can never have too many of these. My other one is done, so I had to get another one. I also picked up this Milani highlighter blending brush, and I hear it's compared to the ABH highlighter brush number 28 or number 23. I'm not quite sure which one it is, but I do want that brush. I am gonna get that brush, but for the meantime I grabbed this. I also have these two blending brushes by Profusion, and I did open the box to see if the bristles was nice and soft, and they are. I just hope that they blend like a dream whenever I do use them, so I am excited about that. I grabbed these lashes from Amazon, and they're super dramatic compared to what I normally wear, which is more of a natural everyday type of eyelash. But these are super dramatic. Hopefully it's not too overwhelming whenever I do wear them, but I am excited. And from my beauty supply store, I picked up these lashes, I Envy Iconic Collection. And of course I grabbed some duo glue in dark tone. This is the glue that I like to use whenever I am wearing lashes. I also grabbed some Maybelline Lasting Drama by Ice Studio gel liner in Black is Black. At one point I used to be obsessed with wearing gel liner, and I kind of want to get back into that, so I grabbed that. I also picked up Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Dark Deep. They did extend their shade range, which I truly appreciate. Before it stopped at medium dark, but they extended it. And look at that contour color. It's super dark and rich in this highlight shade. I hope that I like it just as much as I like the other one. I also picked up this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I do want to go back and get the shade Honey, I believe. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure, but I grabbed this to clean up my brows and put under my eyes. So hopefully it works out for me. So we'll see. I also picked up this CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in D70. I'm excited to try this one out as well. Hopefully it matches me pretty well. I'm not the best at matching my foundation, but hopefully that does match. And the last makeup item I got is from Ruby Kiss, and it is a liquid glitter eyeliner in the color Glitz in Silver. I really like it. I want to go back and get the other colors that they had. And as for hair care products, I picked up this African Pride Black Castor Miracle Growth Protection Formula Deep Penetrating Conditioner Moisture Restore Treatment. The names just okay. Anyway, this is how it looks. It comes in a little package like this. I didn't see like a jar or a tube or anything, so I grabbed the pack, and I actually grabbed 3 of them because I don't feel like one would do anything for my hair or be enough. So hopefully 3 is enough. I also picked up this Carol's Daughters Cocoa Cream Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask. I'm all about putting moisture into my hair, so I'm excited about using this. I might actually use this weekend when I do wash my hair. Hopefully it's amazing. And lastly, I picked up this Tresemme Conditioner Curl Hydrate. Sometimes I just want to wash my hair with conditioner. I don't want to shampoo. I don't want to deep condition, or sometimes my hair is just greasy, or I just feel the need to rinse it really quick, and I like to use conditioner. I have tried Ozymoids, but I feel like Ozymoids don't do nothing for me, so hopefully this works. If not, then I'll look for something else. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell, just so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.